Welcome to episode 33 of On Our Bike, a travel day, Pukenui to Paihia, beach hopping along the way. This is TwoUp beach. We have actually stayed here before when the hotel was a Ramada, but now it's been sold to somebody else. Tide's out, but it's still quite a nice beach. We're sort of filling in time before we get down to Paihia today because our check-in is not till 4, I think. 3:30, a bit late. So we're just going to mosey our way down the coast and stop in at some places that we've been to and that we really like. The bridge at TwoUp is finished and it looks like a waka a Maori canoe. It looks really, really good. And the road turned to gravel without any warning. And after a couple of kilometres in, we came across a sign to say private road, but there was nowhere to turn around. Until I got off the bike and walked around the corner to find an intersection where Murray was able to turn the bike around easily. We've just called in to take another look at Taupo Bay. It's very nice here. We have been here before, but probably 5 years ago maybe. And the tide's sort of in and there's not much firm sand, so I'm not going to be walking on the beach in my boots today. This is Maturi Bay. We have been here before, but I think the last time we came the weather wasn't very nice. So today we've jagged most perfect day, most perfect weather. The beach is, it's a very shallow beach this one, but there is sand. It's just glorious. This is our last stop today before we get to Paihia. One thing that I should have added is that over that headland over there, the Rainbow Warrior was sunk as a dive site.
Well, thanks for watching our latest travel day clip. Hope you enjoyed what we've shown. We had a great time doing it. We love the roads. We love the little bays that we went into, and it just makes such a difference when it's a beautiful fine day. We can't wait for our next fine day so we can head off to explore yet more great places. Thanks again.